It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those you can easily hide. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. Hey everybody, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is my studio. This is where we film BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And would you like a tour of the house? I got nothing better to do. This is my microphone. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So that's really interesting. Let's see what else. Okay, I know. That doesn't work. One more time. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those you can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that I keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting these things I do, you see. I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean Yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. You can tell everybody that this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world.
Good morning, Cat.
All right. So, yeah, let's start the show.
You've come to the right place, Niji and Niji Quay, to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La 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 la.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, NANABOOZHOO loves Natasha. Oh,
my life
distance I saw you standing there and I just froze up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you do at a time like this? What do you say at a time like this? Where do you go at a time like this? What do you do? What do you do at a time like this? What do you say at a time like this? Where do you go at a time like this? What do you do? So I decided to be bold, and I walked towards you. But the moment I encountered you within 5 feet, my mind was so damn confused. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And in the end, I did that cowardly thing and I turned my back on you. I just walked away and went back home and sat there all alone. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
How's it going? Yeah, got the big writer and illustrator with us today, Mr. Michael Lyons. And you know, Michael's not only the creator of this show, he's also a cartoonist. And today we're going to focus on a book Michael wrote and illustrated. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is Mazini Igan Winini, artist. Michael does a lot of stuff, so he's kind of an artist. And one of the books he wrote and illustrated is BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, and it's a story of a little squirrel, a Jidamu, who goes on a walk and I don't know, says hello to a bunch of animals. So you get to learn a whole bunch of animal names in Ojibwe-Moan, like a Jidamu is squirrel, Gizis is sun, Giji Ganashin, chickadee, Mamengwa, butterfly, and on and on. So I was thinking, honey, you want to do something? How about, if it's cool with you, Michael, we read this book for the folks, and I'll read a Jidamu, and you can read all the other animals.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So this is BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO by Michael Lyons. There's the cover page. There's a Jidamu walking from the sun. Okay, go ahead, sweetie.
Bonjour, Jidamu. Hello, squirrel.
Bonjour, Jesus. Hello, sun. It's a sunny day.
Bonjour, Jidamu. Hello, squirrel.
Bonjour, Gigi Gigi Ganashin. Hello, chickadee.
Bonjour, Jidamu.
Bonjour, Memengwa. Hello, butterfly. Saying hello to the butterfly and the chickadee. Bonjour, Seban. Bonjour, Seban. Hello, raccoon. That raccoon is sleeping. He's trying to wake him up.
Huh? Oh, bonjour, Jidamu.
He just woke him up. Now he's laughing.
Bonjour, Jidamu.
Bonjour, Andeg. Bonjour, Andeg. Hello, crow.
Bonjour, Jida.
Oh, what's he see there? It's a flying saucer. Pika! Wait! Pika! Wait, what are you doing? Your hummingbird's going right after him. Oh,
Bonjour, Niji. Hello, brother. Bonjour. Nenukasi Indigenous. Hello, hummingbird is my name. Bonjour. I think the aliens like using telekinetics.
Bonjour, Ajidamu Indigenous. Hello, Ajidamu is my name.
Stephen Indigenous. Stephen is my name. Majada.
Ajidamu's thinking about it, but I don't think, Steven's saying, let's go. And Hummingbird's not sure about it.
Ajidamu, Gecko! Ajidamu, don't!
Gigawabamin, Minoa. I'll see you later. That old squirrel, he's gonna go on a joyride in the UFO, in the spaceship. Gigawabamin, Aki. Goodbye, Earth. Or I'll see you, Earth. Gigawabamin, Dibik Jesus. I'll see you, Moon. I'll see you, Moon and Earth. Hoa. Hoa is the Ojibwe word for ufta in Norwegian. And then he does a big U-turn. And he comes back and he's like, Bonjour, Dibik Jesus. Hello, Moon. Bonjour, Aki. Hello, Earth. Now he's saying hello to the Moon and the Earth. Bonjour, Dibik Jesus. Bonjour, Aki. Oh, and he comes in, he's getting teleported. Oh, me gwetch. That's like, oh, thank you, really, really thank you. Thank you a lot. Oh, me gwetch. He's grateful for his little joyride into outer space. Gigawabamin, Steven. I'll see you, Steven.
Gigawabamin, Ajidamu. I'll see you, Ajidamu. I'll see you, red squirrel.
They're waving goodbye. It's also the end of the day. And he flies away and Ajidamu's there and he's thinking, oh, oh, he went on a big adventure. And there you have it. Bonjour, Ajidamu. Hello, red squirrel. And if you'd like to order the book, click the link. But otherwise, I'd like to say miigwech to our special guest, Michael Lyons. And thank you for being on the show. And with that said, I want to say miigwech to Hennepin County Library for asking us to share one of our books. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minoa. Hoa. Alright. Good job, buddy. You too, sweetie.
You think that $10 super chat will pay for the microphone?
Yeah. Sorry about that. Forgot to turn on the microphone. Red Z, hoa chi miigwech. Miigwech for the very generous super chat. And I also want to say BOOZHOO to Zachary Keenan. Oh, wow. Zachary Keenan's here, sweetie.
Hey, BOOZHOO, Zachary.
And Ruby. Oh, nice of you to be here. Oh, what a beautiful day to have a live stream, sweetie.
Yeah, it is. Oh, what?
What?
I just realized something.
What's that?
It's Friday the 13th.
It is Friday the 13th. Man, let's go back to bed. Nano Geisha good. The 5th day is a Friday in our language, but it's actually the 13th of January. So that makes it Friday the 13th. Are you superstitious, Michael? No. Yeah, you are. Yeah, kind of. But Rezi says, Mr. BOOZHOO, I recognize your efforts. You have good product. Live daily improvement puppetry or improv puppetry show. The only thing harder is live animation. Yeah, I can imagine. The brand will grow. 2023 will be the best year so far. Oh, I hope so. Hey, thanks a lot, Red. Yeah, we really appreciate it. I don't know. So, for today's show, I don't know, what do you guys think? Can you guys hear me? Let's yeah.
Check 1 2.
Yeah, let's
check,
check the
1
microphones.
2. Can y'all hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yep.
Hey y'all. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily. Over here we got the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, Natasha. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina Awiya.
And then, of course, over here, we got the star of the show, Mr. NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
And over there, in that corner, we got the rock star cartoonist. The rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hello, Michael Lyons.
And if y'all are ready then, I say we get the show started.
Okay then. So, today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. We da gay McGunnan. Wife, sweetie.
Wife.
Nabame is husband. Husbands and wives. Because I was thinking, sweetie, there's somebody who's probably really hurting today.
Who's that?
Lisa Marie Presley's former husband.
Oh, that's right. Lisa Marie Presley has started her journey.
Yep. Have a good journey to the afterlife, Lisa Marie Presley. We were huge fans of your music.
Was she a singer?
I think so. Her dad was.
Yeah, her dad was Elvis.
But, yeah. And so, today, can you get somebody on the line for me?
You want me to call Lisa Marie Presley's husband?
Yeah, I want to express my condolences to his dearly departed wife. We da gay my gun.
Okay, hang on. It's ringing. Hello? Hi, is this Michael Jackson? Yeah, it's Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. How you doing? I'm great. Do you want to be on the show this morning? Or this afternoon? What is it, morning? Yeah, it's still morning here. Yeah, Nanaboozhoo wants to say, hey, so sorry to hear about your wife. Yeah, well, your former wife. No, the other one. Yeah, Lisa Marie. Okay, well, I'm going to transfer you. Hang on. Okay, Nanaboozhoo, he's on line 2.
Line 2. Hello, Michael Jackson. Welcome back to the podcast.
Hee shamoa. Hey there, Nanaboozhoo, what's going on?
Listen, man, I just wanted to call and express my sincerest condolences on what must be a very painful and sad day for you.
Because Lisa Marie Presley died?
Yeah, weren't you guys married?
That's ignorant, silly.
I'm pretty sure you were married to Lisa Marie Presley, at least for a week or two.
Well, of course. She was my wife. But then we got a divorce, and I got married again.
Yeah, you got married again to some blonde lady, and didn't you have children with her?
No, that's ignorant. Allegedly.
Yeah. Didn't you allegedly have children with some... But anyway, who cares? I'm really sorry about the untimely passing. She was so young. She was only 54, sweetie.
Oh, man.
But now, hey, I guess you guys will be reunited in heaven, huh?
Yeah, in heaven. Hee shamoa.
Why do you say it like that?
Well, because I'm in heaven, and Lisa Marie and I... No, we don't have to be reunited in heaven.
Where did that Red Lake accent suddenly come from?
No, that's ignorant.
What do you mean you're not going to be reunited?
No, it's until death do us part. Death do us part. Once we die, we're free to go and just, I can be a child.
What?
I'm a child on the inside. Hee, because I never had a childhood.
Yeah, we've heard this a million times. So you're not going to hook up again with your former wife, Lisa Marie Presley, now that she's coming to heaven to, spend out her eternity?
No, that's ignorant.
Okay. So I didn't really need to call you and express my condolences?
Of course not, silly. She married somebody else.
Oh, she did?
Of course.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, ignorant.
Okay. Hey, how would you like to learn some Ojibwe words?
Of course. I'd love to learn the Ojibwe language. Shamoa.
Oh, okay. Weedigay Magun means wife. If you want to say my wife, you would say Niweedigay Magun.
Niweedigay Magun. My wife. Oh, that's ignorant.
Yep. And then Nabame is a husband.
Nabame. Husband.
That's right. You're getting really good at the pronunciation of Ojibwe.
But of course. But I have to go now, Nanaboozhoo.
Oh, sorry. You got something to do?
Yeah, I'm having the Queen of England over.
The Queen of England?
Of course. I'm the King of Pop, and she was the Queen of England. Do you want to say hello to her?
Yeah, sure. Put the Queen of England on.
Oh, Queen. Oh, what's that? Michael Jackson? Yeah, come over. You gotta say hello to Nanaboozhoo. Oh, all right then. Hello. Who's this speaking?
It's Nanaboozhoo from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, Your Highness.
Oh, that's all right. You don't have to go carry on with that rubbish. I'm the Queen Mum, I am. What you want, boy?
Well, I just wanted to call and, I was actually calling Michael, but he told me you were having tea.
Oh, that's right. I was having tea with Michael Jackson. We're having a spot of tea here in heaven, we are. What you want, then?
Would you like to learn some Ojibwe?
Oh, I love to learn the Ojibwe language, I do. How do you say Red Lake in Ojibwe?
Red Lake? Oh. We say Misqua gummy wee zaga igoning.
Miss Squaw got me ways, I got egoning.
Yep.
Miss Squaw got me ways, I got egoning. That's Red Lake it is.
Yep.
Oh, that's lovely. I want to come back to Earth. I want to go up to Red Lake. And I want to go ice fishing, I do.
You want to go ice fishing on Red Lake?
Oh, it's be such fun. I come down with Michael Jackson. We can go have some spotted tea in our little ice fishing house. And we'll fish for walleye. And for northern pike we will.
Northern pike and walleye. Yep, well, it's a good lake for those fish. Anything else I can do for you?
No, you're calling me, boy. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe then?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Your Highness. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minowa.
Wakigawaba men, Minowa, love. And Gigawaba men, Minowa, Natasha. Yeah, you too, Queen. Gigawaba men, Minowa.
Yeah, have a good one, Queenie.
All right, then.
Well, there you go. Queen of England and the King of Pop. The Queen's kind of friends with all the old pop stars, it seems like, in heaven.
Yeah, she gets around.
Well, don't say it like that.
No, I don't mean it like that.
Are you calling the Queen of England what I think you're saying?
No.
All right, sweetie. So what else we got going on today?
What else do we have? We got a Ojibwe word for old lady.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of old ladies, Mindy Moyen. We haven't heard from Mindy Moyen in a while.
I know.
We used to have or we still have, one of our viewers in the BOOZHOO crew, Mindy Moyen. Some old lady who watches our show. Hey, this is a puppet show. It's a little kid show. What do you guys, when we're not on, you watch Sesame Street?
Hey, don't talk like that to our viewers.
It's embarrassing. Come on, you're grown-ups. Today's Sesame Street is brought to you by the letter 2 and the letter 2. The number 2 and the letter K. Whatever. But for our show, it's always BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO is brought to you today by the word Mindy Moyen, old lady. Or an old man, like Michael Lyons. Hey. Aki Wenzi. Aki Wenzi. Is there some connection with the Aki Wenzi and the earth? Aki, earth? Yeah. It might be, I don't know. Aki Wenzi. Aki Wenzi, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were.
Old man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were.
Na 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 na. 24, and there's so much more. Live a life. I don't remember that song. That's a cool song though.
Yeah.
Mindy Moyen, old lady. It's not nice to call old ladies old lady. You know, you can call her Ninukomis. You can call her my grandmother, Nukomis, grandma. Don't call her old lady. And I thought we had a song to cross over.
Do we have a song for the crossover?
Here's a song that's a really great song that we... Do I need to talk about leaving on a jet plane again?
Do you want to, what was that? Deconstruct leaving on a jet plane?
Yeah. Leaving on a jet plane, you think it's a beautiful love song, but it's actually a kind of a confessional by John Denver. And what a scumbag he was. John Denver, leaving on a jet plane, is a story of a man who wakes up in the morning and he's got to go. And he tells the lady he's with that he doesn't want to leave. Already he's so lonesome he could die. But the taxi's waiting. It's early morn. But the dawn is breaking. It's early morn. The taxi's waiting. He's blowing his horn. And already I'm so lonesome I could die. You ever feel that way, sweetie? So lonesome I could die every time you leave. Well, baby doll. What? Nothing. But then he sings, oh, I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Blah, blah, blah. But wait for me. Don't date anybody else. Because I'm John Denver. I'm going to be touring in this jet plane with my band, with a couple of groupies, the management, whatever, some roadies, I don't know. And then every town it's the same story, you know. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me and hold me like you'll never let me go. But then there's one thing there where he says, there's so many times I've let you down. So many times I've played around. I'll tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Well, that's small comfort for this lady he's cheating on. Yeah. Oh, but they didn't mean anything. Yeah, there's so many times I've played around. So many times I've cheated on you with my fans in other towns. And then he goes, when I come back, so kiss me. See, how's that work? Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Yeah. Then close your eyes and I'll be on my way. Then close your eyes and I'll be on my way. She's kissing him with her eyes open. She don't trust him. Yeah, I don't think so. She doesn't trust him because he said it himself. Close your eyes, I'll be on my way. When he comes back, when I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. He's saying that the next time he comes back, he's going to bring back her wedding ring. She's a married woman, and he stole the ring. He's like, yeah, go explain that to your husband when he notices you're not wearing your wedding ring. Guess who has it? John Denver. So kiss me. No. Anyway, John Denver. And this is Leaving on a Jet Plane, I think. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down. So many times I've played around. I'll tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. Hold me now, and a wedding ring.
you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Then close your eyes and I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to leave alone. About the time I won't have to say I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go.
That was really sad, but great. Hey, thanks a lot. BOOZHOO! Oh, I forgot my scarf. Good. I'm gonna catch a cold out here. No. So Ruby says, the song was written by Peter, Paul, and Mary, not John Denver. Oh, is that right? I didn't know that. Peter, Paul, and Mary. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. I remember when I was a little girl, my first grade teacher would bring in her acoustic guitar and sing that song to us. I mean, she sang a bunch of songs, but I remember that one in particular. There was that song and Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea. And we'd all sing along. I remember drawing pictures of dragons for her. I was just a little girl, so I didn't know the symbolic connection to smoking joints. Oh, puff, 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 pass, pass. Okay, Peter, Paul, and Mary, we get it. But as a little kid, I just thought it was about a dragon. I got it. You know, these are sad songs. Little Jackie Paper loves that rascal Puff. You know, I remember just thinking, oh, they're best friends. There's a big old dragon and little Jackie Paper. But then he had to say goodbye, too. How's the lyrics go? Na, 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 na. Oh, Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Honolulu or Galilee? In a land called Galilee. I don't know. Is that biblical? Oh, Ruby. Where's the crew? Oh, hey, there is sure. Oh, Surrealist is here too. BOOZHOO, Surrealist. Sorry to hear about Robbie Bachman. Robbie Bachman died last night too, the drummer of BTO. Taking care of business. Oh, that's too bad. BTO, man. I'll have to tell Michael. Probably the biggest show Michael ever did was opening. His band he was in opened for BTO once in Walker. It was during Moondance Jam weekend. BTO came and played at the casino, and Michael got to play on their stage. Oh, Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea. Well, Gitchimanadu, would you like a little tobacco to puff on? That's what I picture, the tobacco. I give a little tobacco so Gitchimanadu can puff on the magic tobacco. For this morning's prayer, or this noon's prayer, BOOZHOO Gitchimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Odapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Dakawi duka wishin. Undo minaway noon goom. Please help me to speak well today. Igwach ka iji kakina geku. Ga iji chikea noon goom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Bigwach ka iji bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Dash miigwach ka bisan dawieg. And thank you for listening. Apeyenge. Amen. Say a prayer. Don't say a prayer for me now. Save it till the morning after. No, no. Don't save a prayer for me now. Well, I went for many years where I didn't pray much. When I was a little girl, I prayed every night. Well, I would always start my prayers, but I would never finish them because I'd fall asleep. And I wasn't one of those kids like kneeled by my bed. I went into bed, rolled over in a fetal position, and then in my mind I would pray, and I would go, Gitchimanadu, please forgive me. I'm so sorry for being such a sinner. And after a while, I just got fed up having to daily apologize. Please excuse me for living, But I didn't really know what I was doing. I sort of grew up in kind of a conservative, Bible-thumping church. And heard the lesson of, you better ask forgiveness. You're a bad little girl. You better ask your creator for forgiveness. But then I just stopped praying altogether for a number of years. Oh, no, I would always pray when I got into trouble. My prayers after that started always the same. Gitchimanadu, I know we haven't spoken in a while, but can you please help me? Can you please help me out of this jam? And then on, got older. Started looking into other religions. I hate to admit it, but I was pretty full on New Age for a while. I went through a really old age period where I was going to a lot of sweats and kind of chilling with Indian elders and trying to learn traditional ways. But then I kind of went down rabbit holes and looked into theosophy, Buddhism. I read the teachings of Jiddu Krishnamurti. And then I read the teachings of Ken Wilber and all this New Age stuff. Finally landed in the law of attraction cult. What else was I into, But I was just kind of seeking, And I would pray even then. even though I didn't understand who I was praying to. And, I ask for forgiveness pretty regularly, just as a matter of course, but I don't really think about it that much anymore. He knows. I kind of assume he forgives me time and again. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Time after time. I started to have a better image of God when somebody mentioned, he goes, the Creator is our Father. He made us. So he looks at us like his children. Now picture how you feel about your kids. And if one of your kids comes up, on their knees going, oh, please forgive me, for I have sinned, it would be so quick, oh, don't worry about it. You're just being a kid. It's okay. Of course I forgive you, I kind of think that's the way the Creator looks at us. He's like, come on. I'm rooting for you. He's not looking to I will smite thee. Hey, did you just use my name in vain? Throws a lightning bolt. Well, you'll think twice before doing that again. No. I kind of picture our Creator. It's like, he made us, and he gave us a bunch of gifts and powers and talents and interests and personalities and whatever. And he wound us up and he set us free to go. And he's watching us. Because look, is she going to be on her path? Or is she going to run off into the woods? What's she doing now? Oh, look at her. She's experimenting. We'll see if I can get her back on the path. But then it's all ultimately good. I think there's some people who kind of want us to focus on, they're like despair merchants. They're like, oh, death and grief and sorrow and murder. They're just, they want us to think that everything's bad and that, God's going to come and get you. And that if you don't belong to their cult, their religion, you're going to hell. So come on. I believe in hell, but I think people just go there. They choose it for some reason. They're so messed up that they're like, yeah, I sold my soul to the devil and I'm going to go down there instead of up to heaven. I don't think Lisa Marie Presley is in hell right now for marrying Michael Jackson. Her Creator was like, your God was like, oh, for crying out loud, Lisa, you silly goose. I can't believe you married Michael Jackson. But whatever. C'est la vie. Such is life. All right, I better go home. Hey, Benashiog! I gotta go back. All right? You guys keep watch out here, all right? Give me a call if you see Bigfoot. No. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, you ready to come home?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
Ta-da! How you doing, baby?
I'm doing great. Did you put out your tobacco?
I put out my tobacco and I mused. I thought about the nature of God.
Really?
Yeah, I was getting deep. What I miss out on around here?
Oh, nothing.
You and Michael get into it at all?
Nope.
We should jam this afternoon.
You want to write some songs?
We should write some new songs in Ojibwe.
Okay.
We're going to write some songs in Ojibwe this afternoon. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a new song ready for the show. Yeah. All right. What did we learn today, baby doll, baby doll?
We learned Deseros de Tomas is back.
No way! Deseros de Tomas. My favorite matador.
Yeah, why do you think he's a matador?
I don't know. I just picture a person with the name Deseros de Tomas, like being a bullfighter.
I don't think he's a bullfighter.
Maybe God wanted Lisa to marry Michael. Well, did they actually get married?
I thought they did.
Maybe they were just dating.
They could have just been dating.
Can you imagine the weird looking children that Lisa Marie and Michael would have had?
Michael did have weird looking kids.
Yeah, he did, didn't he? Well, that girl's kind of pretty. But he's got that one son who looks like Charlie Brown came to life.
Yeah.
You ever see Michael Jackson's son? Not Blanket. Not the one who has just a little bit of black blood, but the other white kid who's allegedly Michael Jackson's son. He looks just like if Charlie Brown came to life. Big old round. Either that or like Cartman. But anyway. So nice to see you, Deseros. Zachary Keenan. I heard that was the word for forgiveness. Oh, Joannem. Unconditional love. Yeah, Joannem. I've heard that. It means pity, grace, or whatever. Ni Joannem. Unconditional. It's like godly love or something. Joannem. Bless, pity, show loving kindness. Thank you, Surrealist. Unconditional love for. Have mercy. Compassion for. Have mercy.
Have mercy.
Prince Michael is Charlie Brown. Yeah, Prince Michael. I love it.
Prince Michael.
Not to be confused with Prince Harry.
Or Prince Rogers Nelson.
Prince Rogers Nelson. Prince Albert in a can.
A lot of princes.
Yeah, there are. A lot of guys name their dogs Prince.
I don't know. I wonder why.
Some guys name... You know what? It's a popular dog name on the reses.
What? Mukwa?
Yeah, Mukwa. Although Oni named her dog Anamosh. She just called him Oni.
Yeah.
Anamosh's dog and Mukwa's bear. And I've known at least 3 people who had the big black dog. And they go, oh, it's my dog, Mukwa. Everybody thinks he's a bear. Like, well, because he called him Bear, maybe.
Yeah.
Anywho, what do you think, Michael?
Want to sell a book?
Yeah, I'll sell a book for you. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking of dogs, Dog in M'Ingen is a Counting to 10 picture book by Michael Lyons, and it's available for sale at Amazon.com. Dog and Wolf. M'Ingen Wolf.
Yep.
Woof, woof, wolf. Do wolves bark?
I think they howl.
Is that the difference between a dog and a wolf?
Yep. Wolves howl, dogs bark. Otherwise, they're cousins.
Huh. Well, there you go. Animosh is a dog. But we also have Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. Links in the description. And otherwise, baby, fellas, wanna land a plane?
Okay.
Hey, everybody. Just want to say from the bottom of my heart, Miigwech got this and egg. Thank you for listening. Dush. Miigwech Ganawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language, rockstar cartoonists, the Weenie Boo Shades. Get out of here. And my name is Natasha. This is NanaBOOZHOO.
Okay, hey, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin. Minowa. And live stream.